Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Hydroneer. So, I've done a little bit off of recording, but I let the game run for a long time to stock up on some resources. Let's show off a little bit of what I've done. So, to start off with, I decided to start doing a different storage method. As you see, I have a cart here full of a bunch of junk. This was more full, but I've used some of it, as you can see right here. I got a bit of a layout set up. I adjusted some quality of life improvements so I can see all my filters in one go. Have just some foundations so that I stop falling in little pits that I can't get out of easy. And then I also did this. There is about, I think it was like 20 something or 30 something $1,000 worth of these thingies. So that all I had to do is go like this and stock up our stuff here and get her going, and everything's going. That was weird. Thought that, did that just put in the wrong one? I don't know. But yeah, that's all go smooth with the loading up there and everything. We got everything all optimized here and going smooth. I'll show you guys that over here in a second. But yeah, everything is like going really smooth with all the stuff I've gotten set up. I got some organization of our previous storage methods. I would like to convert these over to carts. Slowly bringing down carts. I have like 2 or 3 waiting for me. I decided to play around with TNT. I expected that to be differently. Like maybe, I don't know why, but I expected a square cutout. So I sort of like wasted my time doing this. Yeah, it just made scrap metal. I don't even know what that is. But we got some pallets here. We got that all going here. I'll explain this in a second. It's sort of what we were going on before. But I was able to expand to 4 more drills. I found out that this doesn't make a difference at all using these pipes other than the reduction of flow. So it's like the minuscule difference literally does not matter to me. But to go on of what this is, as I was complaining about stairs in the last episode, got my stairs going, got everything all smoothed out up here. This is to branch us out up here. I have prepped the piping for it, still need a T-fitting, but prepped the piping up to this point here. I'll probably put a booster here and things like that to catch back up with pressure, but the goal here would be to just have a bunch of things producing and dropping down to these conveyors, and I might even have some walls up here so that the items drop directly down and don't get lost. But yeah, that's the game plan. For now, what I'm going to do, first, just in case this lags like crazy, I am going to save real fast, because I also have these walls set up, but this is what I've been letting farm. We currently have 8,000. That's a lot. That's actually a lot. That's enough to do what I am targeting, which I need a bucket. There we go. We got that. And then here, this is also a large one, 12,000. So yeah, with these, that is a lot. This is exactly what I was looking to farm. And what we're currently doing is we're going to be heading back up with these, and we are going to be expanding our drills even more. I believe I already have a cart up there. If not, I need to grab one. The cart idea is to sort of have carts that I can interchangeably move between the 2 different floors. I decided to go with the fast carts for obvious reasons, and it will help me to expand the mine's drill count. My goal is to completely eradicate tier 2 drills and get all tier 3 going, because honestly I don't see the point of the tier 2 running. I mean, it's good now, but once we get all tier 3 running, what's the point of the tier 2 or tier 1, whatever I got there? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep drastically increasing these. I think I have a lot of running up and down here to do with this. We're gonna get these out of the way here, guys. Get up here, and yeah, this is the cart, and we're just gonna do that over and over. So let's get this fast mode going here. Huh? Alrighty, guys, I stopped counting. This was at least 10, but this should just drop right down here, and we should be able to drastically expand our drill count. Oh, is the cart a physic item? There we go. Awesome. Nice and fast cart, and just wiggle this all the way back here. And here we go. Look at all of our drills, guys. So, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to expand. This is not enough space to do what we want, unless we just start going up right now. But I think I'm gonna go lengthwise first and then up, because that just sounds right. I don't want to do a vertical height setup yet until I am ready to do so. We're definitely gonna need to expand our setup outright. Okay, come on. I've been having to play on, what do you call it? How do you... Alright, it was the directional pad. There we go. I've been playing on mouse and keyboard on my time for, like, doing the farming of the resources, so I haven't been able to, like, use my controller for a minute. So yeah, I somewhat forgot my controls that I've been used to so much. But that's okay. It's relatively easy to get used to. And look at that. Look at that. This is just massive, guys. Almost exactly what I expected this to turn into with the resources we farmed. And think about how much this is going to increase. Now, the headache is... Oh, right. I did this. So, yeah, I have piping galore. We just need to rotate like that. Okay. We're going to have to bring this closer because we have a lot of piping we need. Make sure we grab the right one because I have a bunch of pipes there. Again, this cart method, I don't know who told me it, who taught me it, whatever, wherever I learned it is going to be golden for setting this all up. Keep moving down the line here. You know what, we're gonna probably end up going more, so we'll just end it there. And we got that corked off. Now I need to go down and get straight conveyors here. Which again, these I still need to deal with the headache-ness of, nope, we don't want that. Nope, we don't want that. There we go. The headache-ness of having them all stacked in a pallet, but I have a feeling I'm gonna burn through these with the process of making this setup. And yeah, and again, once we have officially expanded this fully, I am going to go vertical. So like this is fully expanded as far as I'm concerned right there. So once we get, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more drills, I'm going to call that fully expanded, and we will be going vertical at that point. And yeah, that's going to be the fun part. I really cannot wait to go vertical because that is a whole different game plan, a whole different design, and it's exciting to me. I'm actually really excited about seeing how that's going to turn out. I'm not optimistic I'm going to do it right the first time around, but that's what experimenting's for, and trying to get things to work out right. Let's see here. All right, and now we need a bunch of T-fittings all on top of these suckers. We're gonna have to expand that one more, so... Yep, we're just gonna keep doing this over and over. Alrighty, guys, so we officially have this all powered up. I want to turn off the system real quick. Oh, first, I hear it. I hear it. Where is it? Cork. Where did the cork go? I have corks floating in the ceiling, I remember. We want to seal you off because you're going to be annoying for a long time. Let's go turn the system off real quick. Alright, guys, so... we need to go through and turn these all on now. Starting here. Alright, guys, so there we go. We got that all set up. I forgot I actually had a booster here, so we will turn that booster off, and that feeds all those drills. So, now, let's go turn the water feed on. I want to watch all these suckers turn on all at once. Get them all uniform, and I want to witness it. Oh, no lights. Oh, no, what'd I do wrong? Ha, ha, ha. That's a joke. 'Cause I got it. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. That is absolutely perfect. And they all merge together like that. This is awesome, guys. So with this, I need to now go through and lock everything down so we don't have a issue with that. You know, I need to buy like 7 of these hammers, and I might actually not lose them for once. There it is. But yeah, lock everything down. Might not accidentally mess up anything. But I am very satisfied with this layout. Let's keep going down the line here. I would like to upgrade these all to, what do you call it, tier 3 pipes, but those cost those T tokens, and we have limited money on that. So I'm not worrying about it yet. We will worry about it in the future, though. I know that. And this is definitely starting to get noisy back here. No lag, though, shockingly. Alrighty, and with that, we are fully locked. Oh, we don't want that locked into place, because we're going to upgrade that to a T-fitting here in the near future. Very near future. But with that, guys, we have officially expanded to... let's count them real quick. Alright, guys, with that, we have truly fully expanded to 21 additional drills here. So, we have goals. We need to get 5 more drills, and then what would that be? 5... we need 26 more drills to go up there, and that'll expand us to over 50. Now, I'm curious how this is going to affect this, because we already got this, and yeah, that's not enough to make a new one yet, but I'm excited. I'm really excited. This is exactly what I was hoping for this to turn into, and I am just really glad that we tried this. I'm going to just pretend this never happened. Come on. There you go. Alright, yeah, that never happened, guys. Okay. With that information, though, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. With that information, though, guys, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to the next one. The next video, I think I'm going to start, I think I'm going to start cleaning up. I'm going to take this empty cart that we have here, and I'm going to take things that I don't think I'll need. Like, I don't need any more rising conveyor belts because everything's on ground level down here. I don't think I need a lot of this stuff that is just a waste of space. And then beyond that, we are going to start putting up our sheet metals and just organizing. So, see you guys then.